What's going on? Just wanted to go through a quick run through of the watch list and look at where it is midweek. So a little midweek analysis. Usually when I set posts, I kind of do ideal entries, stop losses, and my take profits. So these are the levels that were posted in the Discord. And so right now we got Palantir. Obviously, it came right close to the entry at 24.19. And what I'm looking for is a swing trade on this one. So I want to see a break above 27.45 going up. So this is definitely one for the watch. I might start getting into a position starting tomorrow, Friday, or even beginning of next week. So just want to make sure that it's going to hold. The next one that was on watch, I don't think I actually put this one 100% on the watch list because I already had a swing trade in it going into from last week, and I took profit at 30. So it did reach that 30 profit target that I talked about on the last video. If you guys go watch that, and now we had a pullback. So I believe that we can go even higher, especially because of the news we had today after the FOMC meeting. So it looks like everything might end up being green after all. Next is Royal Caribbean. And I talked about on the video how I wanted to see a pullback here into this area or this zone, and then maybe play the breakout. So we're pretty much right there, and it played out how I thought it would based off my analysis going through this consolidation or correction area. Skills. So we wanted an ideal entry at 25.98. It didn't quite drop all the way down. But this is one that, a little controversial. Just depends on if you want to get into something that might have quite a bit of upside. I'm still watching this one. Probably not going to start getting into this one yet. I probably still want to see a little bit more downside if possible. We got IDEX. IDEX came right to where the entry was. This is one where obviously I'm building shares in. I obviously would like to add if it drops, but we may actually get a breakout. So we'll see if we can get above that 50 SMA. We'll just, go for the long run. Lockheed Martin doing exactly what we thought. We on Sunday, we posted to either play this on the breakout or in this level where this zone is of high buying volume. It broke out. We had a nice little pullback. You can see that there's resistance here, but the overall targets is 357 and then 368. Obviously, this thing can go higher. And like I said before, I seen this thing run, $40 on the swing trade the last time it had a breakout like this from the lows. So that's definitely something that I'm going to have on watch and be swinging. Then we got QuantumScape. QuantumScape got above these levels of high volume. You see these red lines here. And we got the first take profit at $72.91. Next one will be right around $84 to fill that gap. And then I got Fubo here. We got a weekly support level. The weekly support held after the market correction. And then we kind of pushed up and we got a sharp pullback. So what I'm expecting is a push to the upside and maybe see some consolidation around that take profit one, and then see if we can get another play or just hold a longer swing up. So this thing can move fast. So it may happen faster than what you plan on. But as of now, the risk to reward is very, very great. And then Zoom is my last one. Zoom came exactly to the entry that I wanted, which is that 50% 6.8 from this little move here. But also I have this zone, which was my retracement from this whole pretty much last year of this uptrend. And then we have in a correction right back down to that zone. Now, I don't know if Zoom is going to do well or not after the economy opens back up and people maybe not have to use it as much, or kids are back at school. But as of now, I'm playing this as a correction back to the upside. And if it is going to be down, I'm expecting a little more upside anyway to trap some more buyers in here so they can get some liquidity to the downside. Tomorrow, what I'm looking at outside of the watch list is Amazon. I'm wanting to actually day trade this, so I'll probably be day trading some contracts. I have basically, you got almost a flag pattern here. And I'm looking for, basically just some day trades, some scalps on some options contracts that can be very, very rewarding. And then the other is obviously, oops, I put that in wrong. There we go, Tesla. Tesla is looking really good. One thing that I noticed on Tesla, I obviously do my weekly levels as well, support resistance and all that. This was a weekly support. So we're holding on this level. We came down, got some liquidity, but this is one thing you got to look at sometimes, guys, is now I don't 100% play off of trend lines, but when things match up, if I have my high levels of volume here, then I have a huge, a trend line that has been following and been true. And then we have a weekly support as well, and then a Fibonacci retracement of 382 from the lows to the highs, then yeah, I'm going to think that we can take a chance. So I wanted to see if we got that bounce, and we did get a bounce. So what I would like to see, especially after today, we may get a move up, tomorrow or Friday, but I'm thinking that we still may be able to go sideways a little more. I would like to just scalp some options contracts as well on this one and just play this as it moves up to higher highs. You can see we got a lot of resistance here. So there's a lot of orders sitting here that we can run through. So ideally, if we can get to this area and I can play this right to run through those orders and just get in and out, and that would be a quick, nice profit for me. So you got right from 719, and the next little high here will be about 740. So you could catch some good points on Tesla. Again, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and informational purposes only. If you are going to make trades or setups, make sure you do your own due diligence and have your plan for trading and manage your risks. That's all I got for today. Just wanted to do a quick update from my Sunday analysis watch list. You all have a good one and happy trading.